Miss Rose Harriet Sirianni in her first ballet outfit. Would you like to describe it, Rosie? I need to get this into focus. Would you like to describe it, honey?
I don't know how to.
Well,
Would you like to show us your shuffle? I know that's a tap routine, tap dance, but
Okay.
yeah.
and what else would you like to show us? Show us that big smile. Today was Rosie's first dance
Now
lesson.
I have to take this
It's
off.
September 16th, 1998.
Now,
Rosie's
you show
4.
that
I thought it was the 16th, 15th. Are you sure?
Rosie, tell Mom where you got this new outfit.
at a store.
Yes, that's one of the steps. Okay. Any other steps you remember from your class?
No. Well, I remember the ball change.
All right, let's see it. Let me see. You could always ask Lucy if you forget a step, Rosie, because she knows them.
Ball change, 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 ball change,
Perfect, Rosie.
ball change.
Rosie, who's your teacher?
Max,
And what do you think of Max?
good.
Great. All right, anything else you want to say?
No.
Okay, do one more dance step for me.
Just like this.
Anything you like. You can invent your own. Oh, yes.
That was cat.
Good night, lovey dove.